Implementing change is always a challenge, and it can be very difficult. Number one, if the environment is not set, and number two, if we don't plan. Planning at the beginning of the week can be very, very valuable to understanding your meal plans and what you're going to put in and what you need to go to the supermarket for. But most importantly, the first thing is to create the environment for change. If you have your chocolates and junk food up on top of your kitchen cabinet or in a place which you can reach very easily, you're more likely to go there. Change it to nuts and seeds, fruits, dried fruits, some veggie snacks. All of these can be very, very easy to implement and make some significant changes. When it comes to your food, it's very easy to implement little small tweaks to your already established meal plan. So for example, if you have a dal curry or lentil curry, you can throw in some spinach. If you're making an omelette, try to get some different colored peppers in there. Try to add maybe some chili and onions. Maybe just add some herbs. Have a cupboard full of these dried herbs, such as thyme and oregano and mixed herbs, which you can just sprinkle on top of your food. The more variety you add, the easier it is to, number one, feel like you can make changes. Number two, the taste is quite good. And number three, you'll start to notice that difference in your gut and in terms of how you feel and also your energy balance in your body. So make small changes to begin with. Try to get the family involved if you can. Change the environment a little bit and you'll start to make that forward progression towards a healthier lifestyle.